Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to solve the Rubik's Cube using the daisy method. So first step you want to do is you want to go and you want to make the daisy. So to do that, you have to make all of the white pieces go to the top where the yellow is. The next step is you have to make the color that's underneath the white the same color as the middle color. So you want to move it to here so that the blue is with the blue. Once the white is with the blue in the blue, you want to go and you want to turn it to the bottom where the white is, and then you want to do that to every other white. The next step is getting these white corners into the place where it needs to be on the white. So first search here on the top, and if there's no whites and there's like a white down here, you want to go and you want to try to get the white to the top. So in order to get the white to the top, you have to make sure there's no white here. Then you have to go like this and go there. Then what you want to do to get the white to the bottom here is you want to go and move the white to the color, like the color behind it has to be diagonal to the color in the middle. Once it's like this, then you have to go and you have to go up to the left and down again. Then you do that to all of the other whites. Now, if a white is on the top, what you want to do is you want to simply just go and do the move again like this, but you want to do it twice. Now, the next step is to get the two that are all here, and you want it to be all the same color to the middle. So what you want to do is if there's an orange right here, let's say, and there's a green up here, then you want to move to the orange to where the orange is to the middle. Then the color at the top is always going to be at one of the sides. Then you want to go and you want to move the top where the orange and green is to the opposite way where the green is. So you want to move it to this side away from the green. Then what you want to do is you want to go like this and take the white out. Once the orange is at the green to the side, you want to go like this, and then you want to turn it to this side, and you want to go like this. Then you want to move it back, and now this is the blue. It's the blue, so you want to go and move it here, opposite to the blue, and you want to go like this. Then you want to do that to all the other ones. So the blue is here and the red is over there. So then you want to go and move the red away, the blue away from the red since it's at the top, and you want to move it to the other side. And then do this algorithm. Then what you want to do is just do it for all of them. Now, once you have all of the second layer and first layer done, you want to go and do the top. Now, if it's not like this, if it doesn't have the like plus sign, then you want to go and do F, R, U, R the opposite, and U the opposite, and F the opposite. And then you're gonna keep doing that till it's like in a position where you have a plus. Now, if you have like one of these, what you wanna do is you wanna go and like, if it's like this, you wanna go R, U2 down, and you wanna go here, and you wanna go back up. You're gonna go here and back up. Now, it's still the same, and you might be wondering, what did that do? That made it a different thing. So now, if it's like this, you can rather do it this way. But then, if it has a yellow here, and it's straight, like going that way, then you have to go, and you have to make it go the bottom way. If it's going this way, then you should have a yellow here. Once you have a yellow there, you go R, U, and down. Next, you need to go, and it usually sometimes isn't like this where the top is like this. So before you do that, you want to go like, you want to go R the opposite, U, L the opposite, U2, R, U the opposite, R the opposite, U2, L, and R. After you do that a few times, it should be like maybe like this sometimes. Then what you want to do is you want to go and you want to go 2 in the middle going up, 1 to the side, 1 in the middle going down, 2 at the top going to the left. And then you want to go in the middle once up. Then you want to go to the left with the top ones. Then you want to go 2 times going down in the middle. And that's, sometimes it takes a few times, but that's how you solve a Rubik's Cube. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.